Welcome back to AutomagzTV. On June 2019, the new Honda URV was officially launched. The new car launched a total of 8 models with a price range of $34,375 to $45,936. The new model has made some changes on the basis of the midterm facelift model, such as providing new designs for details such as the grille and rims, and will launch the Black Jazz version, mainly through some blackened kits to make the car look more sporty. Appearance of the new car has not changed much. It basically maintains the original outline, but some changes have been made in the details of the center grille. As for other parts, there is a redesigned 19-inch wheel. In addition, other parts can be said to have not changed much, and the original design of URV is still maintained. The interior point of view. The center console of the new URV has been redesigned, and the center control screen is moved upwards, using the current design language of the Honda family, and even the shapes around the air conditioning outlets and the handlebars are different. The performance of the storage space also maintains the very practical level of the Honda car series, and the air conditioner still maintains mechanical buttons, which is very convenient to use. In terms of power, the new car still maintains 2 engines, 1.5T and 2.0T, but the model has changed from the original L15BD and K20C3 to L15CM and K20C7. The maximum power has dropped slightly to 138 kilowatt and 192 kilowatt, and the maximum speed of the 2.0T model up to 208 kilometers per hour.